Hello everyone, today we're upgrading this Toyota 2008 Toyota Sienna headlight to LED, from halogen to the LED. I bought those one from Temu, and I'm gonna try them first time. They are $10 for pair. The link in the description. So let's try them. You can get them from different type of cars and fitting everything. Check your car for the headlight model. So those are, you can see here, high beam, low beam and high beam, and I need to go to the low beam and this one here. So I think those are 2-in-1. I'm not quite sure, but it's so easy. It takes like just a minute or so to replace those lights. So, and let's put this one in first. Hopefully they're gonna fit. This is the most important thing. So if they can fit, then everything should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like sometimes I've done this few times before with different type of cars. Sometimes they fit easy, sometimes not. I'm just gonna try it and see the difference. Okay, turn it on and see what's happening. Oh, here we go. So, oh wow, that's very bright. Okay. Super bright. This is the difference between that and this. You can't even look at it, but it's very bright. It has a fan in the back here, you see that? And yeah, so here's the difference. It's very good actually. Like, this is the high beam here. This is the high beam, and that is the low. This is the low beam and high beam. To access that one, I'm gonna remove the fuse box cover. Now it's easy access. Turn it this way, and this one will be off. Very easy like that. Okay, let's. So, okay, that's what different is. I was trying this one here on the low beam, but it doesn't fit. It's a different fitting. On the low beam, it fits nice and easy because I forgot I ordered the low beam. So I'm gonna put the sealer back. Okay, I'll put this one back. It fits only just one way. So once you press it, put it in and press. Just like that. See? Now it fits good. Put this one back in. Now we're gonna give it a try. So that's low beam, high beam, low and high. So basically that's what I ordered. Like, I just need bright white low beam, and you can see the difference between those two. See, that's the difference between and it's only $10. It's worth to try it. Actually, it makes a huge difference, much better than the yellow old halogen light. So I'm gonna do this one again, and same thing. It's here. This is easy because there's nothing here. Okay, and it's twist like that, and be careful, it's hot. So this is hot. I'm just gonna turn, and easy, you can press here and then pull. This is the new, both for $10. It has only goes like, you can see here, positive and negative, and this one ready to install. You put it in. Once you feel it is in, then you twist. But if it's not, doesn't twist, that means it's not at the right fitting. So you just have to play with it a little bit until you see it fits nice and easy. Here we go. Good, that fits. Okay, that's much better. That's the low beam. I'm gonna try the high beam. Okay. That's the low and high. Pretty good.